Hi everybody and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a pretty good sized box that came all the way from South Dakota, home of Mount Rushmore. This is a mail call from longtime channel supporter Guy Young. Thanks so much, Guy, for sending this all the way over to Switzerland. Guy's got one request that I customize a couple of police cars that are in here. No problemo. Happy to do that. Hey, this one is chock full. I'll move the big box out of the way, and I'll spare you all my fumbling and bumbling around with the bubble wrap and tape. And we've got a Matchbox mod tractor to kick it off. That's a new one for me. Here's a Hot Wheels. It's a 58 Corvette, you can tell from the headlights. Got a pretty cool pop-up hood covering a stonking engine. This casting's unbranded. Couldn't find a name on this, but it's an Audi 5000 Turbo with opening doors. Could be a Euro police car livery. Green and white is popular over here. This is a Matchbox 33 Ford Coupe. Remember the Dare campaign that was out? Was that the 80s? Love the engine on this. Lots of potential here. Thanks, Guy. A Hot Wheels dairy delivery. These come in all kinds of different colors and tempos. Haven't had this one before. Also Hot Wheels. It's a fire department truck. There's nothing else stamped on the bottom. Missing one of the doors in the back. That's easily fixed up. No worries. This is a Mustang Fastback. I don't know if it's a Hot Wheels or what because it's got a swapped out chassis. Toothless smile up front, missing the grill. Base is upside down, for one thing, and it says Chevy Camaro Z28. Somebody's already had a go at that one. Playart might be a new name for you. I've had a few of them come across the hobby bench. This is their SO gas tanker. Another police car. This is the ubiquitous Matchbox Ford LTD. I did one of these up way back when I was just getting started. Here's a Hot Wheels 71 Dodge Demon with a flame job on it. Good time to do a Four Horsemen plug. Our April theme is Mopar. Demon would be perfect for that. Here's the first Maisto out of the box. It's their tow truck. Got the crane, needs a hook and a chain though. Matchbox Peterbilt. Looks like that could be a heavy wreck truck if it got all tricked out. Oh, this is a nice premium Jada brand. 78 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Had the wheels robbed off, easily replaced though. Otherwise, in mint condition. I know someone who would love that. This is a Brookfield Collectors Guild Incorporated. New name for me. It's their Chevy King Cab. Dale Earnhardt Jr. livery. The Matchbox Flying Bug. These are everywhere, but you know what? I think I might only have one, and it's not in this good a shape, even though we're missing one rocket thruster on the roof here. This one's got some heft to it. It's a Matchbox IMSA Mustang Racer Mach 1. Got a wide body kit on it. Very cool. Siku is a German brand. I see lots of these over here. Polizei. Don't want to see that behind me when I'm across the border. A funny car. Showhouse by Hot Wheels. Needs glass. And a driver's seat. Oh, I can do that up. That'll be fun. This is a Hot Wheels 1996 Chevy 1500. Not a mark on it. Nice tonneau cover. Beauty. That's it for round one. Time to plow the road here and make way for a Matchbox 1980 Cherokee. Oh, you say Tootsie Roll, I say Hummer H2 SUV concept. Now that Matchbox is in perfect condition. Hey, there had to be a Porsche. We got a 959, the classic one from Matchbox. That's lovely. Definitely got some plans for that guy. And a Hot Wheels 57 Chevy. Oh, that could be a rat rod without touching it. Oh, a Hot Wheels. I think that was a McDonald's car. I don't know, concept car. We'll call it a Happy Meal mobile. This is the Bully Goat by Hot Wheels. Done up in Superman style. Huh. Giving me some ideas. Majorette, a French brand. This is their food truck. Lots of variety in here, Guy. Well done. In a Matchbox Leyland Titan double-decker bus. I'll have to see if that should have glass in it. I don't know this particular casting. Hot Wheels Emergency Unit. Got a lot of police and first responders in this box. Makes me wonder if that's what you do for a living, Guy. Oh, the Lamborghini Countach. Who did not have a poster of one of these on their bedroom wall in the 80s? A true and enduring classic. Matchbox Hummer. Also a first responder. Looks like a firefighter insignia on the side of this one. Matchbox transporter vehicle. This is in a 1 to 150 scale size. I've got to look this up too to see what should be in that recess in the middle. This is a nice big 4x4 pickup by Hot Wheels. I can think of lots of uses for this one. The Matchbox Superfast series, Datsun 126X. I think I did one of these way back too. Nice engine cover that lifts up. The Hot Wheels Dodge van. This may have the most different iterations of any Hot Wheels I can think of. That's a sharp-looking circle trucker by Hot Wheels. I'd say that's brand new too. Another Hummer. This one's by Matchbox. I got a whole army of these now. This is a 57 Corvette by Matchbox. See the single headlights? Remember the second or third one out of the box was a 58 with the double headlights. Well, this is the mystery car out of the box. I'll show you the bottom of this. Obviously missing a lot of parts. It says Aviva at the top. If anybody watching can identify this, help me out as I make way for round 3 and a Porsche 911 by Hot Wheels. I've been looking for one with a whale tail guy. This is going onto the bench immediately. Now I don't have to 3D print that spoiler. Here's another Mustang Mach 1. I've seen a couple of these today, and I'm okay with that. Love it. Oh, a repeat. That's identical to the other one. Now I got 2 whale tails. And on that theme, let me remind everybody of my annual All Porsche Invitational coming up on March 15th. Don't have to be a pro to give it a go. Here's a well-worn Murata Stalker by Hot Wheels. Could do that up into a nice NASCAR, no problem. Oh, I've seen these. Never held one, though. I don't even know what it's called. I dub it the Sharknado. Another cool stock car. This one's unbranded, but it does say Thunderbird on the bottom of it. Very nice. Racing Champions, 1968 Plymouth. Looks like someone's done some paint work on it. The Spacer Racer from Hot Wheels. I have to look this up too. Something's missing to go in that hole. You know what that makes me think of? You too, right? This is another no-name. Obviously some kind of F1 race car. Very similar, but not exactly the same in blue. There's an engine cowl, does not have the side exhaust pipes. There's a second Ford LTD police cruiser. Now remember guys, I'd like you to customize a few of these cop cars, and he's going to send me some pics, and I've got lots of fodder here to work with. So Guy, you can count on those coming. I'll probably do them all up and make one video out of it. This one's a crack-ups. Remember those? There's got to be 4, 5, 6 police cars in the box. I really do appreciate you sending this box to me. There's the whole stash. Can hardly get it into one frame. Thank you, my friend. You are very generous. And thank you for watching today. Drive carefully now. It's coffee time.